I've been driving for about 21 years.
And he's proud to sport the school district logo. Rodney Williams helps set the tone at the start of each day.
You're the first person they see in the morning, the last one they see when they're going home, and I get to interact with them and talk to them about their day, their schoolwork, and it makes you feel kind of good to know that, you know, the kids are willing to interact with you.
He's a people's person, and he loves young people. So when they enter his bus, they could think in their mind and say, well, I'm on the right bus because we have a great bus driver.
Behind the wheel for more than 2 decades and in uniform for a couple years longer than that.
I'm a firefighter with the city of Savannah.
He's of service to our students in so many ways.
Them not knowing that I'm a fireman, I've had a few saying that, you know, I'd ask them, what do you want to do in life? And they'll say firefighting. And I was like, oh, firefighting.
In one instance, urging one young student to give that path a try.
I go out to the classes, and lo and behold, you know, I see one of them in the class. So that really touched me because I was able to guide him into a direction that he said he really wanted to go.
He's a motivator. He's a great encourager.
You know, you get to kind of say, smile. It'll make your day go a little better. Next up, Miss Jackie.
Longtime co-worker, co-driver, Miss Williams says Rodney is laid back with a lot of people-person skills. Certainly in need of those both behind the wheel and with Savannah Fire. His passion for the job is what drives him forward.
The most important part I think that I've done driving the kids to and from school is making sure it's safe. You know, I can make sure in me that I know that I'm making the right decisions and doing the right things to get them home, get them from home to school and from school to home safely.
Rodney Williams, role model, firefighter, and SCCPSS bus driver. With your staff spotlight, I'm Ken Slatz.